Hi guys, today I'm gonna have free rides on Chuck's favourite kiddie ride, and that is train. And by the way, I won't be pressing any buttons, but yeah, let's do this.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna press any buttons because Jack will love it. Here's Thomas over there. And by the way, I'm doing some ice cream because why not? Here's Thomas over there. You know, it's a little bit slow on this unit, apparently. Yeah, the lights don't flash, apparently. And the buttons as well don't flash. But the stubborn does. You decided at Porter's Park.
Don't forget, you have more rides left.
Second ride.
Hold tight. Here we go.
Yeah, Jack has one of these in his house apparently. Let's just get a POV of this.
Into you, it's a magic roundabout. Wheels of a day, wheels of joy are always all around. For us to come together, I'm here to share with you into this world. Call the magic roundabout.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a Magic Roundabout logo, but it's missing a dot on the eye, if you can see. I love this ride. Yeah, all the rides I bought are on for free play, so that's a really good deal actually. That's a really good deal. And it's been replaced by Sugar Run. I mean, all the rides at Porter's Park are on for free play, so that's a really nice deal actually.
Don't forget, you have more rides left.
Right, this time I'm going to sing. Ready?
Are you ready?
Last rides.
Here we go.
I think. Here's the dinner. Imagine you is magic roundabout. Here's the Here's your heart always on around. For us our friends up to her. It's a show with you. As far. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you. Just for you. Take one hand or say along. As the magic round. People saw you. So many friends waiting for you. I'm on a magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left.
And yeah, that was 3 rides on train. I hope you like it, Jack.